What if you could get paid just by working online from your laptop? Right now, there are websites that pay people to complete simple tasks, freelance work, and online projects. In this video, I'll show you 10 websites that pay you to work online, even if you're a beginner. Some of these platforms are used by thousands of people around the world to earn money from home. Welcome to Passive Profit Lab, where we explore smart ways to make money online and build passive income streams. If you're looking for real online income ideas, make sure to subscribe. Now let's look at the first website. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms in the world. People offer services like writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management. Businesses hire freelancers from all over the world, making it a popular place to start earning online. Fiverr allows freelancers to sell services starting at $5. Popular services include logo design, YouTube thumbnail creation, voiceovers, digital marketing. Many beginners start small and gradually build a strong client base. Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform pays users to complete small online tasks. Tasks can include data entry, image labeling, surveys, simple research, while individual tasks pay small amounts. Completing many tasks can generate consistent earnings. User testing pays people to test websites and apps. Users share their experience while navigating a website and give feedback. Companies use this feedback to improve their products. Swagbucks rewards users for completing activities such as surveys. Watching videos, shopping online, points earned can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Freelancer is another global platform where people offer freelance services. Clients post projects and freelancers submit proposals to work on them. Many beginners find their first online clients here. Writing short texts, categorizing data research tasks. It's designed for flexible online work. Rev pays freelancers to transcribe audio and video files. If you have good listening and typing skills, transcription can become a steady online income source. People Per Hour connects businesses with freelancers for online projects. Services include design, writing, marketing, and web development. Teachable allows creators to build and sell online courses. If you have knowledge in a specific topic, you can turn it into a digital course and earn passive income. Example strategy: many people combine different platforms. For example, freelancing on one platform, completing tasks on another, selling digital products on another. This combination can create multiple income streams online. Working online is becoming more common every year. These websites provide opportunities for beginners to start earning without needing a traditional office job. Subscribe to Passive Profit Lab for more videos about side hustles, passive income, and making money online. And tell me in the comments, which website would you try first?